So I am Grace Hidalgo. I'm going to show to you in how did I create and add data to SQLite database in Android Studio. So let's go from step by step. So step 1 is creating an empty activity that in this platform I already created. Second step is to add permission to access storage in the Android manifest. We can access. This is for the permission, as what I've said earlier. Then the third step is working in the active main access. Let's split. So in this code here, it is for our this one, and this is for the duration for this one, the text box. And the is the edit course description, and also the so that those are the codes for our layout rather. So next one is we have to create a new Java class for performing SQLite operation. So creating a new Java class, we just have to go to the app here and then Java, then this one where our main activity is located. We just have to right click this one, but let's not wait for this. We already made a Java class, this one, and we also named it DB handler. So in our code, first these libraries, we have to declare the name of our database, of course DB, and the version of our database. Then this one are used, this is for the table name, and this is for our columns. So our columns would be the ID column, the course name column, the course duration column, that is course description column, and course tracks column. This one is for the creating constructor for our database handler. This one. Okay. And also this method is to create a query in our SQL. So this is, and also we have to set to the data types. So in ID column it is integers, in name column course name is text, duration is text, description is text, and also the tracks is text. So yeah, and last, this one is for the executing of our SQL query. This method is used as to add new course. As you can see, the name of our method. So what's inside is the course name, the course duration, the course description, and the course track. So our SQLite database and calling this variable is for our SQLite, and this content variable is for our content values. Okay. So below are the lines we are passing all the values along with its key in the value pair. So sa name, in name is the course, duration is the course duration. This one, we pass the value. Then the description is this one. The track is this one. Okay. After that, after adding all the values, we are passing the content to our table. So this is passing the content. And lastly, we close our database after adding this one. This method is called to check if the table exists already. Okay. If the if the table exists already, so this will be shown. And the last step, the step 5, is working with the main activity.java. So let's go to the main activity where we declare the variable, this one for our edit text, for our course duration, course button. So they are variables. Set. This one is setting our variable ID. This one is one. This so we have initialized all our values, and then this one db is to create a new db handler class and passing all our context to it. And this button is also when we click the button, this will command here inside all of this. So to get data from all the edit text field, we use the course name, and to get the name, then course name edit, then get text, then string. After that, we have to validate if the text fields are empty or not. So if the text field is empty, then this will please enter all data in the table. And also, and below line, we are calling a method to add new course to SQLite and pass all the values to it. And lastly, after adding the data, we are displaying the message. So this one. So after we click the button, this will be shown below. The course has been added. Okay. So let us try to run. Let me just connect my phone on my laptop. And as we can see here, so this is the device. This is my phone that will be used to run the application. So let's run. So we are now back. So let's enter the course name. BSCS for the course duration would be, let's just put some text.
ate butang. And our course track would be 3. Then our course description would be let's just put science here. Total, we're just trying if this code works. Let's add, so the course has been added, as you have noticed. Let's add another one. Engineering BS CE. Let's just put 20 and T here, and let's just put engineering. Now I'm going to show to you if the data is inside the application by using the DB browser SQLite. So let's go back to our screen, laptop.
So we are back here at our Android Studio. So to check if our data are inputted in our database, let's go to the device file explorer, data, data, and to look for com.example in our name, our file name, Tidalgo Activity2. Com.example, example, not this, Activity2 databases. Then we have to save this. And by the way, I this one. So let's just overwrite my first, this one. Let's just overwrite this. Okay, and then place. After that, it's been successfully acquired. DB browser for SQLite. Then let's open database. Oh goodness. Volume D, grouping 2, and open. And all those data are stored here. So let's browse table. So this one. So the first and the second rows are the ones I made earlier. But this one are the ones that we have inputted a while ago. So there you go. I think I'm done presenting. Thank you for watching this video po, sir. God bless.